In this footage, an inmate at the San Diego Central Jail threatens to jump from the top bunk. Deputies initially attempt to de-escalate the situation, but ultimately have to go hands-on. I apologize for the audio quality. The echo inside the jail cell makes it difficult to hear at times.
Hello, sir. Hop out of time. What are you doing, dude? Hey. Chill out. Let's talk. Let's talk.
Get the fuck out of here now. Okay. Get the fuck out of here.
Well, you need to come down for me to do that.
Okay, get me out of here. You guys are fucking, every time I text something with you, I need the fucking address.
Okay.
No, there's something last time. You fucking threw it away.
Well, this is the first time I've talked to you, sir.
Listen, Amanda.
Okay.
I need to get the fuck away from everybody, and I need to be put by myself.
Okay, let's do one thing at a time. Come on down so we can talk.
Take my socks now. Take my socks anyway.
I don't want to take any.
Take the fucking socks
I
now.
just want to talk to you.
I don't want to fucking talk to nobody. You take a fucking.
What are you doing?
Shut the fuck up and you listen to me.
Just come here.
You listen to me, man. I'm fucking. You don't like to listen to somebody that's younger than you?
I'm listening right now.
Okay, shut the fuck up and listen.
Okay.
I'm a private first class in North.
Okay.
It's a jump on a helicopter. I need this number right here.
Okay.
It's. I need this number.
Okay.
Take me to your fucking cell and you get me away from all these fucking haters.
Okay.
Let's go. Don't fucking worry about the name. I need that paper.
Okay. If you need this paper, why are you giving it to me? I'm trying to help you right now.
Because you're gonna fucking take it all away, and if I fucking give it to you, I'm gonna jump it the fuck off.
Relax. Okay? Just relax. I'm trying to help you, but you're making it very difficult.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
You're helping me by getting the fuck away from all these people.
Okay, well, where would you plan on going?
To the fucking place with the cage. The hole. Take me to the fucking hole where I'm by myself.
You are by
There's
yourself.
this is a dangerous thing where I can jump off the top and kill myself because I got a bunch of fucking people already in there already hating me.
Okay, well, they can't get to you from inside.
It doesn't fucking matter. Let me get the fuck out of here. I don't want to be around people right now.
Okay, well, you know the hole has other people there too, right? There's
I don't
other
give a
people
fuck.
there.
I don't give a fuck.
There really is no difference.
Well, you know what? I'm really not going to stay here no more.
And
You want me to move so that you can fucking take me down?
No, I don't want to take you down.
Okay, then what the fuck do you want?
I'm just holding you so you can listen.
I don't want to listen to you.
Okay, well, why not?
Because I don't want to hear you out. I don't want to listen to everything you have to say.
Well, then why do I have to listen to you?
Fuck you want, you fucking stop. You're fucking tough, dude. You're not that strong, dude.
Relax.
You're not that strong, bro.
Relax.
You're not that strong,
Why are you
bro.
pushing into me?
Because
Stop
I'll
pushing
fuck
into me.
you up, bro. I will fuck you up.
Stop.
I'm a fucking ranger, motherfucker. I will fuck you up, bro.
Stop.
Look, motherfucker. Give my glasses, son of a bitch.
Stop.
You
Relax.
need 4 or 5 motherfuckers to fuck me up.
I don't want to do this.
No.
Just relax.
Then let's go, motherfucker.
Just relax.
Stop, my arm's fucked up, dickhead.
Stop.
I got fucking...
Just relax.
Now, then let's go, motherfucker.
Just relax.
Stop, my arm's fucked up, dickhead.
Stop.
I got fucking... You wanted to do that, fucking dickhead.
Don't you fucking bite me! What? Bite me? Put your hands right back! Put your hands behind your back! Bite me?
Stop fighting, stop hurting me.
Put your hands right back now! Put your hands by your back now!
I don't know where my camera went.
Yeah, it's under the. I got it. Anything length? No, leg change.
Stay on the floor, don't get
I
up.
am. I'm not getting up, dickhead. Shut the fuck up. You already fucked me up. Stop.
Floor sergeant. Floor sergeant. EMS. Use of force. Hold on. We are going for it.
How many good legs? Leg chains?
I think that changed.
Dear God, I pray for these men. I pray for all these men. I pray for all these men.
Stay down.
I am staying down. My foot's fucking hurt, motherfucker. I got a goddamn metal plate and 6 screws in my left shoulder, bitch.
Okay, just don't talk to him so he doesn't
Shut the
talk.
fuck up.
Third floor. Can we get a gurney? Third floor. Officer, you're gonna see medical now.
Shut the fuck up.
And you will talk to mental health.
Shut the fuck up, motherfucker. It's all your fault. I was fine. You didn't want to fucking put me in cuffs, bitch. You waited to fucking hit me in the head on the fucking goddamn concrete wall.
I told you.
Shut the fuck up, motherfucker. You're fucking done, motherfucker.
Why'd you try to bite me?
I did bite you because you're a fucking dickhead, motherfucker, for doing what you did. Look at my face. Shut the fuck up, bitch. Stop talking to me. I can't let him fucking die.
I'll do it. I haven't used force. Yeah.
Anybody injured, hurt?
He tried to bite me. Bite me. Ow. Yes. I felt his teeth and moved it quick enough.
I need a medical record from 1998. How many times I've been hurt?
As soon as
I
we
need
get
a
him,
printout of 1998. How many times I've been hurt already? This is number how many fucking
as
years?
soon as his leg changes, we'll get
Shut the
him.
fuck up, dickhead.
Just want to make sure you're good.
Okay,
Be careful with my fucking legs
so
and my arms.
we're gonna lift him. You guys push the gurney into here.
I got right arm on.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, good again, homie.
Side.
We'll flip him towards you on 3.
Yeah, sure.
Alright. We're going to flip.
Lay on your side.
Shut the fuck up, bitch.
What's wrong? Just relax. Just relax. There's no need for that, sir. We're here to help.
Recovery position confirmed.
Fuck you, that. Straight up, bitch. You're a fucking pussy.
We'll slide you out here. You fucking I'll try.
Here it is.
Give it a second, okay?
Did you use force?
I put it on behind.
Okay, did you use force? Okay. Stay behind. You're on the floor. I'll try to have someone help you, alright? Hey, Cacho. Cacho, are you striving?
Yep. He's the safety.
Okay. I just need someone to stay and help Vidal.
Here now.
You're here? Okay, cool. Thank you, Where's, what's his name? Who's involved?
Pop that cell.
Who else? Sagrero. He said he.
I'll get the story from him.
Okay. We'll figure it out.
I'll save the cell open. He literally just came from EOH last night at 2 a.m.
Wonderful.
He's probably like enacted.
You guys can think what you want. I'm not gonna say nothing. I have the right to do something.